Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar GIMS. We had him here numerous times. If you want to learn his songs, then check out my playlist. Now let's focus on Appelle Ta Copine. That means, or translates into call your girlfriend, I believe, in English. And that is how far I came with the lyrics in this song. Never mind, we're gonna learn to play it. That's what matters here. So we have 3 chords with the capo set on 1st fret, which I believe are the 3 easiest chords for the song. So capo first, it's a given thing. Now let's go into this tutorial. We're gonna learn the chords first. E minor, which is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We play A minor next, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally we have the D chord. We're gonna use this shape of it. So it looks like a C in this position of 5th A, 4th D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And there you have the 3 different chords. The chord progression for this will be E minor to A minor to D, back to A minor. That's just rolling like that. E minor, A minor, D, A minor. Okay, so let's look at the strumming pattern. We have 2 parts, so let's go into the first part of E minor. We'll play like this. So you're gonna play 1 down first, and then comes up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. And then you shift chord, in this case, to A minor and play part 2, which is basically down, clap, down. So down, clap, down on A minor, and that's it. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, down, clap, down. E minor to A minor. Then you apply the same principles here from D to A minor. So D is played in the same way as E minor, down, up, clap, down, and then you go back to A minor, play that in the same way as you learned it before, down, clap, down. So that is 1 round, and it rolls from the beginning till the very end like this. One technical stuff there is, once you get from E minor to A minor, you can kind of focus on that 1st fret B string, or the B string as it is, and you have that for A minor. When you slide up to this D chord, you have that still there. It just slides up there as a base point for your next chord, and then you keep it from that D when you slide back to the A minor. So you don't have to release everything, you have something to lean upon. So this 1st fret B string from A minor, you slide it to the 3rd B and then back again to get the A minor, and that's something you can take with you. Anyway, that's how you handle this song from GIMS, Appelle Ta Copine. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.